there, today in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize Canva table rows to whatever you want them to be. Now, this is a question that I sometimes get in my inbox, and it's also something that I couldn't figure out how to do for the longest time. So let's go ahead and start a Canva table right here. Now, as you can see, right now I have this particular project at 100%. So this is basically what it's going to look like whenever we print it out. Now the default on these Canva tables is quite large for the rows. So here I am pulling it as small as I can, and that's really big. Most of the time whenever we're creating a table in, say, a printable planner, we're not going to want those rows to be quite that big. So here's how we're going to make them even smaller. You go right up here to this table spacing icon, you click on it, and you bring the cell spacing all the way down to 0. And now we can drag these to a much smaller size. Now, another thing that I occasionally get questions about is how to make only certain rows and columns the same size. So this is what you do. We're going to select the two columns that we want to have identical sizes on, and we're going to hold down the shift while we click our left mouse button. So now I have those two selected. I'm going to click the three dots up here, and then I'm going to go to size columns equally. So as you can see, it went ahead and sized those equally while keeping this one, which wasn't selected, the same size. Now, while those are selected, we can also drag them out and move it around, and they stay proportionally identical in terms of size. And we can do the same thing if we want to just resize certain rows. I click the two rows that I want to be the same exact size, and size rows equally. And now those two rows have the same exact height, while these two that weren't selected don't. And that's it. Super simple. We can always manipulate the sizes of our different table elements inside of Canva. Just sometimes it's not quite as obvious as we'd like. Thanks.